Hello lawnmowers. So today I got a lawnmower here with me and I'm gonna show you how to change your oil and replace your filter. Alright. So what I usually do first, I check the oil. So it's a little dark and this is from last year. So every year, usually at least every year, I change the oil. So what I do, I make sure it's actually no gases inside the tank. Make sure it's empty first. As you can see, this is the oil. So again, to throw it out. Usually, if you got something a little higher, you could put it on something high. Mix all the water. So as I say, it's best if you can get something higher. Like you could get a Rhino and put both wheels on both Rhinos. That's what I usually do first when I usually changing the oil. But now I'm just doing a quick drain, so I don't need to do all of that. So you just turn it right over. Make sure there's no gas in the tank because you don't want the gas to flow over. Make sure the gas is empty first before you change the oil. Before you empty the oil. Okay, after you do that, now we're gonna throw new oil inside of it. So remember, this don't need a lot of oil. This is a small engine. Okay, so what I usually do, I just pour a little in, a little by little. Maybe a quarter of a quart, like one, like 1 quart, but a quarter. You throw a little and you keep checking it. See, I gotta wipe it off real good first before. See, this like is a little bit too much. Yeah, this is a little bit too much. So what I have to do, see, it's supposed to be right here. It's all the way past the circle. It's supposed to be actually right, as you can see the arrow. It's supposed to be right next to this circle, the last circle, but it's all the way up here. So I gotta throw it back some right now. You gotta be careful. You don't want to overload the engine with oil. Okay, so what I did, I gotta throw back some oil out because it was too much. So you gotta look at this side. Okay, so this is not good. This is just a little above the circle, but this is not bad. All right. If you're not sure, check it again. Remember, look on the full side. Okay, it's right here, so that's not bad. All right, just need to put just a little bit. I would just put a little bit at the same time and keep checking, because this is not like a car you put like 4 quarts, 5 quarts. This is a small engine. All right, now I'm gonna change the filter. Okay, the filter is on this side where the gas is. Where the gas is, the filter is right here. Got a screw here, the screw at this side first. Yeah, this is a dirty filter. See? Usually change this at least every year. You might as well do everything for the hair, because this don't use right through the hair. So I would just do everything every year. Okay? So this is not good. This is a new filter, and this filter only can go in one way. Pretty easy. Only one way. See, if you even try to put it this way, it's not gonna go. So just gotta go in. Okay, could turn it over, doesn't matter. Alright, put it back. Screw it right back. And then last thing I'm gonna do is just put in the gas, and it should be good. Get a little like 1 gallon like this, make it easier. Just put a little for now. And then over here, make sure I cover that back. And right here you have a primer. Make sure press the primer like a couple times, maybe about 6 times. Usually it's like 3 times, but because it's over here now, I gotta just make sure prime it back. Now we're gonna start it up. So I'm not getting no start, I gotta prime it more. there you go. That's how you change the oil on a lawnmower. Air filter. Then you put the gas. Remember, you got to put the gas last. Then you prime it a couple times and you should be good. Thank you. Have a blessed day. If you guys are interested, hit the bell for notification. Have a good day.